and the right side is my IT team, IT development.
Beklediğimi bulamayınca
Okay.
biraz daha dışarıda ticaret yapma ya da iş kurma, girişimciliğe araç saldım diyebilirim.
I developed more than 50 different projects for others, and I have been covered in many different magazines about technology.
Bu tecrübeyi yaşayan insanlardan biri ben oldum.
For example, in Time Türk, it is one of the biggest magazine in Turkey. I have been covered, and this is about the Web3. Okay. So right now, when I have met with the Zenkra project, they came for this kind of services. They wanted to get this kind of services, and then I checked the project because I was very. But you heard about ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT reached 100 million users in 2 months. It is faster than TikTok, it is faster than Instagram, it is faster than any other applications around the world. They reach 100 million users. Okay, 100 million users in just 2 months. Okay, it means there is a very big demand on this type of services, and many other companies integrating artificial intelligence, even food delivery companies, even taxi driver companies, they are integrating artificial intelligence. And this artificial intelligence require very big amount of computing resources. So as you can see, compute requirement for AI applications are increasing 10x every 18 months. Okay, so it means there is a very big demand, increasing demand. Okay, so it is going to create a shortage in GPU, which is graphic cards rendering, okay, or graphic cards unit. So there is a big problem about the GPU shortage because there is high demand and there is a limited supply in the market right now. But on the other hand, there are a lot of independent data centers. There are different crypto mining farms, or even people at their home, they have GPUs. They can combine them into this, they can provide these hardwares which is not used fully to networks like Glm networks. So Glm network is a platform like a marketplace that harnesses this power, and it is giving to AI companies which they need these on demands. Okay. So what we do here actually, we are investing in GPUs and we are providing these GPUs into AI companies. Okay. So in our business model, we are the providers. Okay. As a community, we are the providers, and Zenkra aggregated and manage all the hardware, and we are making money from the AI companies. AI companies are paying money and we are earning money. Basically it's like this, and Zenkra taking its profit from this. So how you can become provider in Glm network? Normally, if you want to join Glm network, it is an open network like any others. Bitcoin is an open network, Ethereum is an open network, but it doesn't mean it is profitable for everyone. And it is also not easy for everyone to make it. For example, if you want to connect your computer, maybe you can make $1-2 every month, which is not enough for anyone. So the best way to do it, doing it professionally, doing it collectively with others, which is Glm network and Zenkra partnership comes into the play. Okay, so we can be provider thanks to Zenkra. Okay, and we can be part of Glm network's providers network. And how it works, you just need to create an account in Zenkra. You buy computing power, which is teraflops, and then you start earning GLM daily. Okay. So there is different kind of computing power packages, starting from $50 to to $50,000. Depending on your package, you can buy different type of computing power packages. And this one giving you daily GLM, and it is in the US. It is tied up to USDT, so you know how much you are going to make at that day. But on the other hand, you can make extra profit if you hold your GLM, because GLM is increasing in price. So let's say in next 4 years you accumulated a lot of GLM token, and GLM token make 20x. Actually, you are making 60x of your money, because if you buy same amount of GLM in the market and hold it, you cannot make. But if you join the provided packages, then you can earn more than holding this money. Okay, so I want to show you our back office, how it works. Okay, you enter your back office and then you click buy computing power. Let's say you want to buy $1,000 worth of computing power, which is 100 teraflops. You can earn daily $3. You can earn $90 monthly. You can annually make $1,000, and in 4 years you can make $4,300 if GLM price doesn't change. If GLM price stays stable. But if GLM price goes up, it means your investment, your return of your investment is increasing even double, triple, or maybe even up to 10x. Okay. The reason is right now GLM is listed in many different exchanges, starting from Binance to OKX, in different kind of exchanges like Coin. And at the same time, most of the total supply is 1 billion, and all of the token is in the circulation right now. So it means the supply is already there, it is available, but demand is increasing. So there is a stable supply, but there is an increasing demand, which creates a increase in the price, as we have seen in the last 1 month. When we first started this project, it was $0.2. It is now $0.6. Okay, so there is a big potential. Even it can go up to $3 to $4. Okay, so this is one thing. The second thing is here in Zekra, users can also earn money by using and giving feedbacks to AI applications. Okay, let's say I want to create a picture. All I have to do is I just type whatever it is, and then it is going to generate. For example, Vietnam flag on top of Dubai skyscrapers. When you say something like this, it is generating this image automatically. Even right now, computing power working behind the scenes for the calculations and for the generations. So it is taking a little bit time. Yeah, right now it is generated this thing. So you need to give feedback how the performance was the AI. So after you give the feedback, you can earn token, okay, which is added to here, okay, which is increased to here, and you can see that one in your history, and you can see other pictures that you created. You can even use it. Another fun part about Zencraft, we have social rewards. It means social media one of the biggest advertising methods in the world right now. You can create some simple contents and you can earn free teraflops, free computing power. And you can start using the system, you can start testing the system, also you can increase your capacity. Okay. So when we combine all these reasons, Zenkura has a very large potential to increase their community and also increase its power for the future, because right now our business model depending on our community. Okay, if we have a large community, we can be a better provider, we can be a bigger provider in the Glm network, and we can dominate the market, and in this way we can earn even more GLM than other competitors. That's why we need to unify, we need to come together, and we need to work together to become one of the biggest provider in this new industry, new exciting industry. And we are going to be doing this together with Mr. Jason. He said yes. So we started, he said yes when he heard about this project, and now we are working full time, full focus on this project. Do we have questions so far?
Okay, thank you very much.
You have to open your microphone, Michael. We couldn't hear your voice.
Okay, thank you very much for your presentation. Very interesting, very clarifying. You subs, I heard, I listened very carefully. All of the platform have many ecosystem you have in Glm. Okay, Facebook and even though TikTok, even though Facebook, even though X platform come from Elon Musk. Okay, very interesting. You open so much economic for the people, for the community can earn the money, come from the ecosystem. But you see, so now in our community, they do own thing. You have to, how can I say, educate the community how to use, how to attend. Because you know, in Asia, they do one thing, just mining, just trading, just stacking, just lending. That's all I think. In our market, in our community knowledge, whereas only the big leader who come from the high densities, the key city, who go to other country. So a limited knowledge of the big leader even though. So I think with this platform, it takes us so long time for us to train the people understand. The customer understand. The customer will be our loyal investor. But now you see in Vietnam, a limited knowledge about the blockchain, a limited knowledge about the Facebook, a limited knowledge about the TikTok platform. They can come there to play the TikTok, but they didn't know how to use TikTok to earn the money, look like the platform you just present to us. Yeah, that's the real picture. Even though some of them couldn't speak English, couldn't read English, you and me have to train them, have to change the language, have to mentor. Very, very long time. It takes us very hard to educate the market, the customer. How to guide them? Know, use the platform. Know to trade. Know to act in the platform. So, very, very difficult. So in the future, I think one thing only, just for our customer to invest. For example, now I just come back from Malaysia. The company just sell only one thing, the booster, the AI booster. That make us to earn the money, to mine the Bitcoin. Only do like that. So the people, we can train them how to use the platform, how to go to the application, and how to transfer the USDT that they collect in the wallet. And they can read the report, daily report come from the application by using the local language, Vietnamese language, for example. And other country, Chinese language, and we can change so many languages in the application. So with this application from you, I think have a multi-language for the people to focus into the application. The reason why after I listen to the platform, I just read a little thing come from David Call in the PDF file. So I think this is very difficult to deploy in Vietnam markets because of the knowledge of the customer. If you want to deploy, if you want to implement this project in Vietnam and even in the Asia country, you have to train them so long time. Train them to well understand. The people will keep with you so long-term commitment. As you see, our customer is a very loyal customer. If they follow you, they believe you, they trust you, they trust the company, they trust the application, they trust the platform, they can follow you so many years. As you see the status in Asia country, many company, many big boss, they have a factory, how can I say, a small company, a small factory, a small company. But now after COVID disease event, after COVID, after some events of the war, like the war between how can I between Russia and, you see that the reason many companies couldn't export their goods, so they have to stop their business. So now they don't know how to use their cash flow to the platform. What is now the primary platform, the trust platform? So, gentlemen, today I tell you by heart, I tell you the truth. I tell you the real picture in our market of crypto. they do. They wanna do. Many big leaders, many people follow the exciting herb cryptocurrency market, but they don't understand, but they don't know what are they doing. So many money game, many scam project make the people lost money. For example, you see big base, so many other project now. The reason why I mentioned very carefully to Mr. David Cao that you have to organize for me a Zoom meeting today to talk with you, to listen with you. I agree. The platform very interesting platform. You can go, you can earn the money, long-term commitment. But you see, to convince the people, to convince the customer, they have to understand. You have to train them so much. It take you so much time.
No, you don't need to train them. People already know what is mining, right? Mining.
That means
You know
when
mining?
they trust you, they trust me, they follow me, they trust David Cao, they follow David Cao. But something happened. Oh, they call you all the time. They call you on the night and on the day. You couldn't do anything other.
Do you know mining?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think mining is safe way to make money?
I agree. I know.
This is same like mining.
Just
It's
one
like
thing.
cloud mining.
Yeah, just one thing. Mining only. Okay. I think today I give you the situations of our Asian customer. So after this, I will discuss with David Cao carefully about it. Okay, we can choose, we can make a decision, we can finalize what we can do, and let you know, and let Jason know. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
No problem. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else? Okay, Jason.
I just want to add something, Jason.
Yeah.
This platform we created may be complicated for people, I understand. But it is a unique. So eventually when people understand, especially the leaders understand, this is the point. This is the real business that we can develop, and they will, leaders go and other people follow. They don't question, then they will follow. This is what we want to do, and I'm sure we are going to make it happen. I hope you join us and we can do it together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you, Yusuf, for your time, for your very good explanation. So Michael, thank you for your time. So we stay in touch, and if you have anything else, you just let me know, and I will give you the best. Okay.
Be sure with you, Jason. So we can take each other by cello already. We have a group to discuss about. So I think so I will share my time. I love my brother David Cao is my team. He's my core leader in the core team. So his knowledge about the technician, about the blockchain very well. He can read, but he couldn't speak like me, but he can read and he can understand very well. So I think in the future, if I have a training course with the customer, I think I can translate into Vietnamese for the customer, and then he will help me to train the people, to train the leader before. Okay, as you see in some of the people that invite us to come to the company for the people there to train my people, my 10 people in Malaysia. In the future, some of the next week maybe I will take 10 people go to Malaysia to attend the training course by the company. The second, you know, the second building, the second look like a Silicon Valley in America. Okay, so I think we have we will try the best way to find out the best way to cooperate each other. Huh? Okay. Okay, David Cao. Understand?
Thank you.
Understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you, my dear son.
Okay. I have a good time. Have a good day, my dear brother. Okay. Bye bye. See you.
See you. Thank you, bro.
Bye bye.